I can't sleep, I can't eat. Not knowing what really happened to Bobby is destroying me.
I need you to walk me through what happened the morning Bobby died before he went to school.
I already told you I slept in late.
So, tell me what you think happened.
Well, he sits there and eats his breakfast.
Where's your room from here?
Just over there down the hall.
So you would have been able to hear if Bobby was crying.
Yes, of course. Unless the door was closed or the TV was on.
Was the door shut or was the TV on this morning?
Remember?
Try.
How can I remember? I was asleep already. I told you that.
A normal mother would have already been up with her kid doing normal things mommies do in the morning. You know what I'm saying?
I have insomnia. Our sitter and I have an understanding. I do the evenings and she does the mornings.
And she wasn't good at keeping a good job at keeping her quiet, now was she?
No, I don't remember waking up. I take sedatives.
You tried. You wanted to be a good mom. I know that. But you got to start off by telling me the truth.
How dare you? How dare you? What do you think you were? I want you to leave right now.
Listen, we're long past that, Alicia. Whether you like it or not, you're going to be leaving out here in handcuffs. So you might as well start off by telling me the truth.
Just wanted it to be quiet. He was in here yelling and fighting with Lucy, stomping his feet. And it woke me up when I stormed in here and I said, Bobby, I want you to put your shoes on right now. And he spit in my face and said he hated me, and I just snapped.